Nĩ mũciĩ wa njogu rũrĩra rwa Afrika na iria nĩ makĩria ma njogu 2,000 arĩ rũriĩ rwa AMBOSELI rũrĩa nĩ rwa mũigana wa eka 97,000. Gĩcunjĩ kĩnene kĩa agendi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na nja wa bũrũri moĩ rwĩtagwo AMBOSELI, no rumanĩte na rĩtwa rĩa kĩmathai Embusel rwa kuonania kũndũ kũrĩ cumbĩ na rũkũngũ rũingĩ. Nĩ wagi wa mĩtĩ agendi makoragwo na ũhũthũ wa kuona nyamũ ithano nene gatagatĩ kaingĩ na makiri ma nyoni, no rĩu rũriĩ rũrũ rũrĩ ũgwati-inĩ wa kũhuka nĩ ndũrĩrĩ iria cikaraga hakuhĩ naguo kwendia mĩgũnda yao.
Some challenges in life diseases or even not even disease, but when somebody is sick, he doesn't have much money, but at the same time even taking their children to school. The Maasai community are taking their children to school, and even at some stage education is expensive.
Hiyo utumizi wa ardhi kiholela holela ndio sasa unyima wanyama wa porini na wanyama wa nyumbani mahali za kuchungwa.
Group ranch ilikuwa na watu 844 ambaye kila mtu alipewa portion yake. Alafu sasa hapo watu ndio akaanza kufikiria mambo ya kujidevelop. Wengine wanauza, wengine wanataka kufanya maendeleo sawa yao kibinafsi.
Wendia wa broti maguta kũringana na athuri a Ukabi ũcũngĩrĩirie kũhingwo kwa njĩra cia nyamũ kuma Embusel gũtuĩkania nginyagia DA-inĩ cia Tsavo gatagatĩ ka DA ingĩ.
Niona makampuni inakuja kutoka Nairobi, wanasema wananunua mashamba na wao ikawa tunapitana kidogo kwa sababu wanataka ukulimaji na sisi ni wafugaji.
Hiyo kiliafo kuwa hapo, it's a very big threat kwa hiyo mambo ya corridor na hizo conservancies za Kimana Sanctuary ambaye pia repercussion yake ni AMBOSELI pia National Park itaisha.
Wanaona group ranches na katakatwa na zinauzwa, watu wanaanza kudevelop kufanya biashara zingine, sile sufuria inaanguka na serikali wanakaa tu kitako hivi hawaongei.
We have learned from our neighboring group ranches like Selengei, almost they have lost a big part of their land, and also Gului, some people have sold the land. Even the management committee of the former Gului called now Gului Land Trust have set a fund to buy the land back.
Nĩguo kũgitĩra rũriĩ rũrũ, ikundi cia kĩũmbe citongoretio nĩ AIFU nĩ ciambĩkĩte mũtaratara wa gũkombora mĩgũnda ĩno kuma kũrĩ ene na kũmarĩhaga ciringi 15,000 oro mwaka, kũgirĩrĩria wendia na ũrĩmi mĩgũnda-inĩ ĩno na kũmĩtigĩra nyamũ cia gĩthaka oro ũndũ ũmwe na mahiũ.
The land is 28,000 acres, if that's wrong, and it has 3,598 members, and every person have given out willingly 8 acres of land for this project. It's an important corridor that links AMBOSELI National Park to Mailwa Group Ranch, which they are forming the conservancy group called Arama Conservancy Associations. It led to Magadi, Shombole, and I think extend to Loita. We have plenty of wildlife because particularly when it's raining time, because the only challenge you have is the conservancy water, but this time when you have water, we have natural water holes where we have many wildlife this time when it's green. And we have 3 cluster settlement around the conservancy, Meshanani, Orgului and Lolakir. And we have an estimated 2,000 plus livestock in every cluster. So that's because of the numbers of livestock drastically slowed down after the long drought, and we don't have much livestock as in the past.
Arĩa mendetie mĩgũnda yao kũringana na Chief Olumpembe nĩ mambĩrĩirie kũmĩgũra makĩhũthĩra mbeca cia rĩera kana carbon credit.
It's not a solution because we cannot recover a soil land, and it brings some change. Some people coming in, we don't share a common culture, a common practice. So with this progress of conservancies, we shall be able even to pay school with our brothers and sisters and to maintain our land within our hands.
Kuona matingĩtĩkĩrio kũirigana gwĩkuruhania na maũndũ mangĩ mũgarũ na ũrĩithia wa mahiũ na ũthaitĩri wa nyamũ cia gĩthaka.
I've even bought land in a conservation area where they cannot do such practice like agriculture. So through carbon credit payment, Good Land Trust have bought some parcel of land back to the community, and through consolidating our land for conservation, then we are going to maintain a big land to be in the hand of our community and management and benefits.
Njĩra ici nĩ cia kũgitĩra rũriĩ rwa Embusel, makĩria rĩrĩ thirikari nene ĩcoketie ũramati waruo kũrĩ moko ma thirikari ya Kajiado.
80% of AMBOSELI National Park wildlife reside in the community land, distributed fairly in the 6 group ranges of Orgulului, though Orgului is the heartland, it's the center of the park. So most of our life is within Orgului or year round. And we believe the community will get more benefit employment, we get a scholarship in Australia again for other people to get education, which is a change maker to our livelihoods. And at the same time, we believe the money from the national park will support conservancy development.
Kameme TV gikuye horo gitao kuma Ruriri rwa nyamu rwa Amboseli county-ini ya Kajiado gitau wa Wanjiku.